Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Linda Rost, and I wanted to introduce myself and then tell you a little bit about Canvas and how to navigate the course. I realize that this might be your first time using Canvas, or you might have used it before, but I thought if you needed some extra guidance on how to navigate it, this might be helpful. So this is what your front page should look like, and I'm going to switch to student view. And you should see these little options on the left. And then this page has kind of a summary of the syllabus, but the full syllabus is located in syllabus. If you are just joining for the first time, you need to go to Red Shelf to access your course materials. I'll show you that in a minute. If you are also in the lab, which most of you are, one is not, so you can ignore anything about the lab. You will use the same subscription for the lab, so it's not an additional cost. And then the grades for the lab will not count in the lecture, they'll count in the lab class. This part of the front page has just a summary of all the assignments that are due for the lecture class. And then to access your course materials, you click on Red Shelf, and that should connect you directly with Pearson, which is the website that your, I had to leave student view, the website that'll get you access to your course materials. You do have to pay for the textbook and the My Mastering software. So that's where you need to start. There's the textbook, there's the My Mastering, and then once you get connected, you can start doing the homework. Here is the syllabus. This Canvas website creates a list of everything. You can see that some of you will see this interactive lab. If you are not taking the lab, you should not see it. And the grades do not go towards the lecture class, they go towards the lab. And then this is where you'll find the full syllabus with all the information you need. The best way probably to navigate the class might be through this view or through modules. The modules kind of breaks it up through each week. And you're gonna start this week with a video discussion post, which I'll have a separate video for. And then the rest of it is materials like lecture presentation from the textbook, and then the assignments. This lab that's showing up at the bottom, again, won't show up for some of you. So it should look like that if you are not part of the lab, and hopefully it'll show up if you are part of the lab. So that's what you'll do. You'll just navigate through the course, and then your grades are located here. And I need to switch to student view. Well, maybe I can't. Let me try it this way. Student view. Okay, let's see what grades look like. And so for each assignment, you'll have all of your grades there. And again, you should not see the labs. I hope that they don't even show up here, because I will be putting them into the lab class instead of the lecture. So that's a tour of Canvas. At the end, you'll need course evaluation, so I left that on there. So you'll be using that when it's time for that. And as always, ask me if you have any questions getting started or at any point during the course.